अभी उभरते हुए डायरेक्टर भी बनते जा रहे हैं और प्रोड्यूसर भी बनते जा रहे हैं और चैलेंजेस लेना आपको बहुत पसंद है। क्या डायरेक्ट करना, प्रोड्यूस करना, कोई ऐसे एक्टर हैं आपके नज़र में जो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा? क्योंकि बहुत टाइम से एक बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट लोगों की नज़र में है कि तीनों खान को कौन साथ में डायरेक्ट कर सकता है, प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है, क्योंकि एक बहुत बड़ी खबरें आती हैं कि उनको अफोर्ड करना मुश्किल है। क्या कभी मौका मिले तो आप प्रोड्यूस करना चाहेंगे, डायरेक्ट करना चाहेंगे?
I would love to produce and direct a film on all three Khans. And I would also love to, you know, show the talented side of theirs, where they can act and they can also look good and they can also do something which is very significant to the society. I would love to make a film like that because I think they are very talented. And also what they're doing, of course, they're adding a lot of revenue to the industry and we should be eternally grateful to them. And also they are engaging with a mass of people who who need that kind of engagement. But also, I think there is a very artistic sides to all three of them, which has not been explored other than just in few films. And I would love to explore that with so many actors. And one actor I would always regret not being able to direct is Irfan Khan Saab. He is one of my favorite Khans, and I would always miss him.
As well. I have two questions, and first I would like to direct it to you, Kangana. Since you've also been a director on the film, you've produced it, you're an actor, at that given point in time, what was your temperament like on the set? That's my first question to you. And between action and cut, what were you aspiring to do? Because you were actually depicting somebody else's character who's been a part of, our reality, and you sort of had to put that in real life. Talk to me about that, please.
See, if when you have to, I can give you a trick. When you have to be a highly demanding job, it's highly demanding on your temperament, physically, emotionally, mentally. It is too much for anybody to expect you to be at your sort of the best in terms of communication, in terms of your temperament. It's very unrealistic because there are so many more than good news, bad news keep coming into your ear, but now this is not happening. You're not getting these dates. That equipment is stuck, or the rain is, the set is flooded, this is dripping. Like every time you're like, so you can have like a small group of punching bags, which are like sitting at Aditya, like, like my direction team. You can make a like small group of punching bag. So you can go like sort of, remove your frustration, punch, 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 punch. And then you turn to Shreya, sir, gee, sir, what was your question? And then the same goes for, so, sir, would you try another take? And then you turn and you again can, so obviously there are people who are there to help you. Of course, my direction department. And they were also, you also need a family member, there, because the finances and the things of, where you can trust somebody with all of that. And then regular visits from my sister. You also need to gossip. Now, how do you do that? So you have a mix of everything going, and you just kind of make yourself get through it. You can't expect to just plan it, because it's a location is going to be different every time. The scene is going to be different. Season is different. Actor is different. How are you going to plan a job where nothing is fixed? Hours are different. And new if yesterday you had like a wig didn't working, today you'll have maybe the crane is not stable, and it's not stable. Everybody's doing everything, but it's just not stable. So every day there's a new challenge. You need to have your people around you who you can trust, who are okay with you, and who love you. Like Anupam ji, he's every time he will come and he'll just make me laugh, laugh, laugh. There are just so many jokes. So of course people support you, Shreya sir. So it's very important to work with people who make you at home. Who love you and who respect you.
Hi, Kangna. Samina here from Zoom channel. My question is to you, this side, over here. Center, center.
Hi.
Hi, hi. My question to you is that while you are working in emergency, you have also balancing a career in political world. When you speak, so many times on social media also, you have raised concerns of women having, quite difficulties while having a stronghold in the political world. How are you, managing that? And apart from this, After the world of acting, are you going to continue the world of acting? Will you still be an actor, or would you focus on your world of political journey completely?
Um, See, for us, we're in very good times that we also have very supportive people, especially with the women reservation bill, 33% of reservation. So right now the situation in especially next election is going to be that we won't have enough women. You know, please understand 33% will be a huge number in the Raj Sabha, Lok Sabha, for all sort of elections, local elections, panchayat election, all of that. I think in panchayats already 50%. So we won't have enough women. So I like women to be inspired to be in this field, and for whether I would continue to act. I think this is a question where I would like people to decide that. Like, for example, I never said I want to be a leader. People should say you should be a leader. You know, whether a party does surveys or whether a party, whatever the criteria to give you a ticket, you know, it was people's choice that I should fight the election. Now, tomorrow, if emergency works and if they want to see more of me, if if I am, I feel that I can have success, I will continue as films. Otherwise, if I feel that I have more success in politics and I'm needed there more, wherever, see, the thing is essentially we go where we feel needed, you know, we feel respected and valued. So I will let life decide for me. I have no such plans that I have to go here or there. No, I'm fine anywhere I'm needed to do whatever is needed. More questions for other cast, please.
No,
Otherwise,
no,
we'll
we are
close.
happy you answering
No,
all
no,
the
no.
questions.
Yeah,
Otherwise, we'll
absolutely.
close.
We are
Go
supporting
on.
cast. The
Hello.
name of the film is...
Hello. Yeah. Hi. This is Amar representing Mamarazi. Congratulations for the wonderful trailer. It looks one of a kind, and every Indian should see it. My question is, there are two questions. My first question is to share, sir. You're playing a character who resonates with India's greatness, Atal Bihari ji. जैसे बताया आपने काफ़ी books पढ़ी, but did you, for your personal research, did you cross your path or engaged with people who have met Atal ji in their personal life?
No, I didn't do that. Like I said, of course, I did my own bit of research about him, and and it's not a biography on Atalji. It is a period that we're showing on emergency and about Indira ji. So I trusted my director more on that, because what the vision that she has, उनको क्या दिखाना है, उनको अटल जी का कौन सा पोर्शन दिखाना है, कौन से एज ग्रुप के अटल जी है, उस वक्त वो कैसे थे, कितने डायनामिक थे, क्या क्या करते थे, वो उनके दिमाग में जो विजन है, that was more important for me than me going with something that I have already learned कि नहीं अटल जी तो ऐसे ही थे, because 75 में actually 3 important घटनाएं हुई, एक तो emergency, एक शोले और तीसरा श्रेयस तलपदे का जन्म. सो शोले हम जानते हैं, श्रेयस तलपदे को कुछ लोग जानते हैं, लेकिन इमरजेंसी के बारे में ज़्यादा लोग नहीं जानते. वो ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचना ज़रूरी है. और उस दौरान क्या सिचुएशन थी, उस दौरान जो लीडर्स थे उनका क्या रवैया था, वो आई गेस आई ट्रस्टेड माई डायरेक्टर मोर in that respect, and I just went with her conviction and her vision than anything else. So I didn't really meet anyone. I did my part, I studied it, and then I went with her conviction. That's it.